To manage all this complexity without losing your mind, you need the right tools. Like I mentioned earlier, lean into and leverage your tech. So to help you with that, how about we focus a bit more on technology and systems? We live in an alphabet soup of acronyms here. We've got ERP, that's Enterprise Resource Planning. This is the brain. It connects finance, sales, and ops. Then there's WMS, your warehouse management system. This controls the four walls of your warehouse, tracking every pallet and bin location. Finally, you've got TMS, the transportation management system. This handles your carriers, rates, and routes. You can't run a modern supply chain on spreadsheets alone. I know some of you are trying, but trust me, it's a recipe for disaster. The goal of all this tech is data visibility. Now, this takes time to build, but you should aim for a control tower style view. The goal's to have your systems integrated enough that you can see a delay in raw materials coming from Asia, say, and quickly understand how that impacts your production schedule. Real-time data lets you react now, not 2 weeks later when the line stops. And finally, let's give a nod to metrics. It's a truism to say that you can't improve what you don't measure. This implies that you've got to track your KPIs, those key performance indicators that let you build a health scorecard for your processes. The big three are on-time delivery, inventory turns, and order accuracy. Review these numbers weekly, if not continuously, with automated alerts. If a number's red, drill down and fix it.